Hello, greetings. Follow me. Let me show you how to secure your YouTube channel through verification of your phone number. You need to verify a phone number so that in case you lost your channel or something happens or it is hacked, you'll be able to recover it through your phone number. Verification of your phone number also helps for you to be able to upload videos to YouTube longer than 15 minutes. So follow me. Let me show you how to. So the first thing is I want to show us how to do it using mobile phones. So ensure you are logged in to that particular channel on that browser, and then you're going to go to the browser and then you type in studio.youtube.com studio.youtube.com. And once it's opened, you're gonna see this. So you're gonna come right down here. See, right down here, bottom left corner, you're gonna see that settings button. See this settings. Click on it. It's going to take you here, and then you go to channel. Going to click on channel. Okay, and then you come to feature eligibility. Feature eligibility, and then you have the standard features which are already enabled. Then you have intermediate features. That's where we're going to do it. You click on this drop down arrow here, and then you're going to see verify phone number. Verify phone number. So we're going to click on that. Light to open. Okay, once you open this, what you're going to see, there's two steps you're going to take. So you're going to choose country. You're going to choose country. So I'm in Cameroon, so I have to enter a Cameroon phone number. So I'm going to look for Cameroon in the drop down. I'll take Cameroon here, and then I'm going to enter the phone number here that you want to use to verify. I'm going to enter the phone number. And then you take on next. Once you're next, a phone number is associated with too many accounts. Only 2 accounts can be verified per phone number per year. Okay, so we're gonna enter another number that I normally use. 6519. Okay, we take on next. So they're gonna send a code to the number. We're gonna enter the 6-digit codes here to get it verified. Let me look for the code. There's the code. We copy. Then we'll get back. Then you submit. Paste it, and then you do what? Submit. phone number verified, you can close this window and go back to YouTube. So as simple as that, that's how you can verify a phone number. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Endeavor to follow us, like, share to help somebody else. Thank you. God bless.